Welcome back to Balabas Gist. My people, just as I close my eyes say make I rest for this matter, they say no, that Simon Ekpa reject the Finland court ruling and say im go appeal make the matter continue because e no be wetin dey talk say im be. My people, and a lot of the followers of Simon Ekpa don come outside come make some analysis, talk some things wey I wan play for na for this video. I wan more na watch all of them, then before we go come back come continue. E get wetin we wan talk for this video today. Stay tuned.
Good afternoon from here. The long-awaited date has come, and most of you has heard what happened in the courts of Finland. Prime Minister was actually given a 6-year sentence, but concurrently that 6 years is not going to be served. Why? Because number one, they said they find him guilty of what is it called now, cyber incitement, and that was just it. So I see a lot of media outlet there trying to twist the narrative that he was involved in terrorist activities in the southeast, which is a very big lie. Biafrans, I want you to understand that the 6 years is just 2 years and probably 4 months. One is that Prime Minister has not committed any crime under any country's watch. Number two is that he was defending Biafran's right. Self-determination in this country is not a crime. And then there is every reasons why this can be appealed. So they have allowed for appeal to be had. So the government is going to appeal for that case and see how far we can come. But because there was no substantial evidence to nail the Prime Minister and to jail him, I've never seen any country that jailed a terrorist or somebody who said to commit out of terrorism for 6 years, and then 3 years is meant to be served, and he has served concurrently 9 months. So it doesn't add up. So what will add up is when the Deputy Prime Minister and the USB government steps in and now go on another court hearing, and this time around is going to be an appeal to the verdict of the Hamid District Court in Latin Finland. So that's what is going to be happening. So Simon still have a chance. Our Biafran brothers, we're not going to give up. We're not going to get tired. Nigeria has decided to drag Finland to the mud, and Alexander Stubb is the first man that will fight Biafra head on. And we will see how this is going to end. We don't come here to say things the way it's not. And Adadi Orama, thank you so much. Ogenkere, we thank you people very much. We have seen your handwork. All the evidences you people went to submit against your own person. If you people finish in abroad, maybe you will still come to Biafran land, or you will live in abroad forever. Anyways, that is left for you. But thank you very much. Biafran said I should appreciate you people. Thank you people for your good work. You see this thing that you people did to us. You want to demoralize us. You want to know how downcasted we are going to be. We are not going to give up. We will never give up. Not on this earth. We're going to give up. This fight of freedom for Biafra, we will never give up. Not on this planet earth, I'm telling you people. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you believe system is, you can go on and believe it. But Simon Ekpa will come out very, very soon, I'm telling you people. That's 3 years, 6 years is nonsense. I hear a lot of social media is on fire now. Oh, Simon has gone to jail because he was inciting terrorism. He was involved in terrorist attack. He was involved in this. It's all lie. So there's going to be an appeal by the government, and the government is not going to fold their hands and watch this go down. So we still have chances of Simon, our Prime Minister, coming out. So let's just keep it the way it is, and then we'll do the underground work. Thank you so much, dear friends, from here. I love you guys. See you in my next video.
I greet you, Biafrans. I greet you, lovers of freedom. I greet you depending your time zone or anytime you're coming across this channel. Please, calm down to watch this video. Just calm down to watch this video to the end. Make I know whether some of us will try to get sense about the conviction of our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Please, one thing you help me do in this video is to like, comment, and share. and watch to the end if truly you really want to, not to be carried along with some fools like this person. There is a lot of update. There is a lot of update there in social media. People that is celebrating about the conviction of our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. You understand? So I want you to calm down and read this with me. And this thing updated by Governor Ezeoku. But this is not where I am heading to. I am just trying to show you one thing you need to know so that you will not be carried along with these people that is making this kind of post against our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. And you know, this person, there is a program he made some time ago about, there is just a kind of, he was a kind of covering himself, trying to say that he's not being sentiment about that program. But I know that his program is against those that is fighting for the freedom of Biafra, including Simon Ekpa, Mazen Amdekano, and Dr. Ngozi Orabweze. So let's read what he wrote here. Mr. Governor Ezeoku said this: Finnish court convicts Simon Ekpa of terrorism charges. Negente. Simon was decorated with 6 years imprisonment. The terrorism content creator Ekpa, that is an attack, who is known for sponsoring buying of innocent people in Okigwe, Omoaka, and also will be having his cool times in Finnish prison for a period of 6 years. Okay. Listen. First of all, before I touch so many things I want to touch now, what do we know a freedom fighter of threatens? If you're a real freedom fighter, this is what you will be known for. Either you are in exile, or you are in detention, or you are in your grave. That threatens. One must happen to you, or two must happen to you. Either you are in exile, or you are in detention, or you are in your grave. That is the threats that you will use to know a freedom fighter. And also listen, because these people this is the kind of people that is forcing themselves to be your leaders. You understand me now? You know, I have seen him countless times say that he's Olilenian Dimo, this kind of human being. Go and read the history of Nelson Mandela of South Africa. When you read the history of Nelson Mandela of South Africa, then you go to read the history of some freedom fighters. So that Nige Muche. Oh, now listen. They sentenced Simon Ekpa for 6 years. Yes, to serve 3 years. And he has served 9 years already. That is to say, the remaining years he need to serve now is about 2 years and 4 months. Okay. Last time I checked, terrorism is a biggest offense around the world. Okay. Now, let me let you know what you use. There is some things that you will, when somebody is being convicted for terrorism. Okay, let's count 3. Maybe we'll join 1. For somebody to be convicted as a terrorism, 1, they will sentence you either life imprisonment. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Either they sentence you for life imprisonment, or then jail you to the extent before they will leave you, you will automatically be useless in life. 3, maybe they will sentence you to be quiet. They will delete you. That is the most major sentence for terrorism. You can't just tell me that you convicted anybody for terrorism for 6 years to serve 3 years. You understand? To serve 3 years. And also, the person has already served for 9 months. That is to say, it remained 1 year, 2 years, and maybe 4 months. Oya. Use your brain. Use your brain. Gente from this guy, Mr. Governor Ezioku, and to some other enemies of Biafra, some other enemies, those who bring themselves out to sabotage this struggle. Go to their post. I know why I am using this guy's post. I am using him as a point of contact to other full enemies. You understand? Just use this guy. Follow this guy now. They call Governor Ezioku. In case, if you see a post like this, so that you will use your brain and not allow anybody to fool you. I thank God that the government of United States of Biafra is going to appeal the judgment. But listen, let me tell you something. Something you should also try to understand is that from the beginning of this Simon Ekpa's court trial, something happened. The prosecutor of Simon Ekpa said that Simon Ekpa is going to face 6 years imprisonment of. Is that how they said it? They said it somehow that maybe Nigeria is telling him, the prosecutor, to jail Simon Ekpa for 6 years, for 6 years, even when the case never even started. Even when the case never even started. But I am happy that the government of Biafra, United States of Biafra, is ready to appeal the 2 years and 4 months. Imagine where they sentenced a terrorist for 6 years to serve 3 years, and the person have already served 9 months. 9 months, and the remaining years is 2 years and 4 months. Okay, make I tell you something. Biko, do not panic. Calm down. Calm down. We have a government. Simon Ekpa being our prime minister, choose this, including you and I. Don't think that you are exempted for this. Because me that is facing camera, imagine when they see me and they recognize me and arrest me. What do you think? So do not think that you exempted from this. You and I are facing the same. You understand? The government of Biafra is ready to appeal this. And if yourself, all this and they fall back for the confused set of people. Although they will not say anything until the government of Biafra says something. Is when the government of Biafra says something, is only when you begin to hear them crawling out like a snail to begin to talk rubbish. And the followers of one in such a France, congratulations to you people. Followers of Fam, followers of Ndi 4D, followers of Ndi Brigi, those that calls Dr. Ngozi or Abweze terrorist, please, congratulations. This is the damage of your coming to tell Adandingu, congratulations. Don't worry. But I will be here, tell the government of United States of Biafra not to stop at nothing. To stop at nothing. To face anybody that is, as in, calling any leader of Biafran, any leader of Biafra, this Biafra restoration, to stop at nothing. Sue that person. Sue that person. Any person that is calling any Biafran a terrorist or something related to that, or God, sue that person. Sue that person. Sue that person. Chase that person, whether spiritually, physically, and otherwise. Even legally. na chunya na mo na mother legally. We double issue na that person. Enough is enough. You may not know the damages it costs when all these fools, cowards, come out to begin to call Biafrans names like Ndiobuligwe terrorists and all that. Well, try to share this video. Share this video, but I will tell you to calm down. We have a government. They are going to appeal this. And even if Simon Ekpa is being sentenced 6 years to serve 3 years, and he already served 6 years, 9 months, don't forget that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is almost facing it for 6 years now. And also, what most important is for you and I that is out here to face them bomber to bomber, to face them bomber to bomber, to face them bomber to bomber. That is what we should be doing. You understand? As the government of Biafra is going to appeal the judgment of our PM, Simon Ekpa, you and I should not back off. We should, thank God we now have government. Yes, the government will be doing their own, and you and I will be doing our own. So that's what I say, make I come and tell some of us. Please don't forget to share this video massively. It is very, very important that you share this video and comment your mind. In case you have never subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification button. Thank you, and God bless you.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, I want you to drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share the video. And don't forget to see there for Balaba Gist. As you watch, make sure you share the video so other people will get the information and know how they go.